Brother, walk on once.
Happy New Year, man.
Thank you, same to you.
Yeah,
Yeah, man,
one.
I'm the same now.
Yeah.
Make nobody come from a bed then and me.
You see it?
Oh, make sure.
Mommy and daddy did that, man. But you at home's me go.
Are you go at home?
Yeah, me are the second to last one.
Okay.
So, I have my little struggle still and my baby them. I've one of my daughter have cancer.
Yeah.
I understand the little last one, but I just take it to the Lord, said we. If I have him, I just go and penny pan him and penny pan she.
So how old is she?
She 9.
She 9.
Yeah.
So you just clear out over your son now and just you say you put the pliant and put in there. I come like it and need also more pliant thing. You know, so to have less see through coming through and evil one time it rain. You know. Evil and rain.
We must sit down on the bed. Buy your own big boy.
The place.
I said, gift stamps. You can't fly in that place.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah. So this is where your son is stay? Okay. So you have put the bed in the middle?
No, I put him on my part.
Okay. Yeah, you understand and you can see the struggle, you know? You can see the struggle.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Brother, walk on once.
Happy New Year, man.
Thank you, same to you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one.
man, I'm the same Rasta.
Yeah, man.
No, man, I'm the same Rasta.
No, another one with dance.
Oh, where is the next one?
He's up there. He's up. Yeah, not the one with dance.
Oh, yeah, man. Everything good.
Mark, you put on weight, man.
Have to put
You live life.
Have to put
Man, living life, man.
Thanks, brother. Yes.
And living life, man.
1 year they with permission have to put on.
Yeah.
9640.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9640. Come to me.
Oh, man, single bed, man. Single bed, you know, the thing, bro. Come here, whoa. Whoa.
Just give me a
Yeah, man. Come on, so this is where you are now.
Again, I will, yes. ठीक है मैं भेजता हूँ आपको है ना यार ठीक है that मत भेज
Everybody. Yeah.
You know, say I'm a killing. Come to your father.
Prince. Prince, what go on? Kino there again.
Who?
Kino.
What is it?
I'm gonna get the food. I'm there in front of you, man. See me? Yeah, man, I'm here this. Prince, Princess. Oh, all is well. Your wife there to baby, you know. Your baby mother there, and see me bring your son there, you know, bring your son. See me and feel it, what man? See your son and Psalms. And Psalms that, you know.
Same get big.
And your son that, you know. Oh, Alright, Psalms, and your daddy that, you know. Psalms. Yeah, I said to your daddy that, you know.
Prince, put him down there everywhere I see Psalms, I lift up Psalms.
The son, man, you live with your son, right? Eh?
I'm tired of wearing him uniform.
Yeah, man, so you need a daughter now.
What get daughter? What get the daughter? Eh? Me see him where? This time I give him daughter.
Same way. So, Princess. Well, as you can see, other day you come and you say, all I want for him one single bed and clothes and food, you know. So, at least now we have the single bed out the way, you know. And the single bed, you know, we have two extended family and put together and make up to get the single bed. You know, one known as Diane from the Cayman Island, and the next one want to be unknown from Florida. You know, so the two of them come together and provide the single bed for Prince. You know, so you can just thank them. And, you know.
Why am I so happy? I'm so happy for the little single bed for my brother. And thank you for doing everything for me. And that's we ask for it and we get it, you understand?
Yeah.
In the name of Jesus.
Yeah, man. So that is.
God bless you, Mr. Dwayne.
Yeah, so that's Diane, you know, from the Cayman Island, and also you have unknown from Florida. You know, I will give thanks for them so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And you know, and the other day you have an excellent family was sending a barrel with some stuff for the members them as well too. You know, and we decided so we're gonna take something out from it for him as well too. Well, over for the theme size with the slippers, you know. Cause we same way, so what, 78 to 9, right baby? So I guess this will fit him. You know, and you have a pants and a top here. Sam, give your father that. Your father from Martin and Deborah. You know, says from Martin and Deborah was sending a barrel for the members them, and we're so thankful that he does that, so at least now we can stretch it out to someone else on the other side, you know. So you can just thank Martin and
thank you, Marcia
and Deborah, you know. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, at least now we're getting somewhere, getting some blessings, you know, as much as we can. So if you want, we should probably want to bring the bed. You know, we make them bring it in, you know, fit it in a Prince room. Prince.
Tell him thanks.
Yeah, say thanks.
Say thank you very much.
Say thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Extended family.
The extended family.
Eh?
The extended family.
My son gave something to say extended family.
Alright then. It's a worry about baby, so yeah, baby go on beside it now, baby. You must stretch for see baby there now. A baby that yeah, she have a long time, yeah. And she have a long time, though. Long time I get that whole there.
One different woman, man, I'm done with him.
Yeah. So,
But make nobody come on a bed there than me.
You see it then?
Oh, make sure.
yeah, I'm sure. Alright, then we bring you in the bed then. Come here, we'll bring you in the bed. Yeah.
I can't put my
What? Hey. Yeah. So you say that you just set up something for him?
Yeah, me I take out the ply then. Yeah, you Flying I got for you. I have look ply right there, so me I put him look apart right there, so I set it up, you know.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah.
What, the empty space?
Yeah. No man.
This space here?
We treat her right now, me I just put on, get some black and...
What, the pallet part?
Yeah.
Come on, show me how go.
Some look at the things me have in the system, but me I gonna take out there so and just, you know, use apply them.
Yeah.
And just wait him to come. I don't want him to stray out.
Okay.
Kind of stray at night, you understand?
Yeah.
So I just use apply them, I'm gonna take off my house, get the lift it off of the ground.
Them plier.
And just, you know,
Okay.
and give thanks anyway.
So this is how we gonna set up for him.
Yeah man.
Situation is real, you know. So at least, as I say, you try your best, you know. And it's good when you're trying more than when you're not doing anything.
Yeah.
And we really admire the effort, see him here, you know, for know so where they push out and I look out for him, you know.
And the greatest part I like really food and, you know, I bed for him sleep.
Yeah.
I try my best still him. I whole heap of people out there worse than me, but
Yeah.
I still have to give thanks. You understand?
Yeah, true. And you say a little brother, right?
Yeah, my last brother.
My last brother. What happened to your mommy? What happened to your mommy?
Mommy and daddy did dead, man.
Oh, them
But
passed.
you at home, so me grow.
Oh, you go at home?
Yeah, me had the second to last one.
Oh, okay.
So, me have my little struggle still, you know, my baby them have one of my daughter have cancer.
Yeah.
I understand the little last one, but I just take it to the Lord, said we. If I have him, I just go and penny pan him and penny pan she.
So how old is she?
She 9.
She 9?
Yeah.
And when you find out that?
Alright, when my baby is dead, because them born with sickle cell, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know, I still give thanks said way for life because I have life. Can't fly, I got face.
Yeah, true.
Just do my little thing. More time the struggle real, no food, no day about what we still have to do. We still have to eat, said we don't. Anything come out, we still have to wait in there. Nah, really.
I still give thanks, see me. I still have to give thanks, see me. I love how you hold the faith. You know, you don't make anything bring you down.
Yeah,
you know,
understand?
And you still try, make ends meet.
Even fun and him little thing.
Yeah. And them two player, the oldest player we really have.
So far. Because them one you know really rotten. You understand?
Them damage up still. You know.
I can't ask for everything, I have to just give thanks.
Yeah.
To other people. I can't ask for everything and get it one time.
Yeah.
Anybody out there can help still.
Yeah,
give thanks,
yeah, true.
Most likely at the bed where him to sleep on. Kind of nice when the cool going on him ears, you understand?
So at least now him have a bed where him can sleep on. So at the meantime when him sleep in there, we don't know?
Yeah, him sleep in there.
Okay.
I mean, I really want the rain wet him now, so I have to just put him on him. So tonight now I can just put him in the bed. And make him lie down comfortable.
Yeah. Alright man. So, oh, somebody live right here?
No, my son them, you don't
Oh, your son them?
Yeah, I don't really have it. I look at place.
Okay. Oh, so these are the place?
Yeah, outside today we have to just give thanks. Can't fly in a cat face.
Okay.
I really have it, you know?
Yeah. So this is where you and your son is stay? Okay. So you have put the bed in the middle?
No, I put him around on my part.
Okay. Yeah, I understand and you can see the struggle, you know? You can see the struggle.
You know, so one little thing still and so but you don't know.
Because when it rain,
when the
and
rain
the
fall,
leakage this.
Leak, so I have to just put them little TV in the corner or so. I'm not really up still, but I have to give thanks. Greatest part we have a little bed where we can sleep on.
Yeah. And you still try,
Yeah.
you know? And I say you don't make anything kind of older than you lift your head up, see me.
Man, for me, I've got me have everything, you know.
Yeah. So you're a strong believer then.
Yeah.
And from you're a believer, you know, have faith, you know, and just pray.
One day to come.
Yeah.
You
One day to
understand?
come, yeah. It's really rough, you know, it's really rough. Can you see him pallet to use on this side as well to pallet and ply? And you can see. And then place a leak as well too. Where them place a leak?
Can't do nothing, I have to just wait until we do one look apart, and if God will, we can do an next part for them, you know?
And your Father God is willing, you know, because him sister you're trying. There's one thing I understand, you know, in life. So once you're trying, you know, you always get back a blessing because you're not sitting down and just waiting. You still go out there.
I tell my son, because him work all day and get him look up here. It's not really enough, but them broke the house and come in car. Through the place not really. You understand? And not safety and take away look up here, so we have to just do without food. We can't even really leave a cost or nothing. Because no one them come kill them, you have to just make them know say, yeah, just do without food. You know?
Yeah.
So I beg a drive, make him go up this morning for go back to work. And tell him boss and thing. You know, only but not really pay enough.
Yeah. And tomorrow.
We still have to push them outside here.
Yeah.
And forgot to turn gun money and
Yes, that is it. Just lead them in the right direction, you know, for them. Because they already see the struggle where you been going through, you know, for all this time, and you still have struggle to bring them up. See me, so at least I go out there and try, you know, and just to say I try to make them comfortable as much as I can, but we know so the help is always gonna need it, you know, and see me, you know, if anybody want to help out your situation as them can see, because it's good thing now I like the situation, so we know say people out there with a kind heart, you know, even though we know it's strong, you know, really too strong on the other side, see me, because you know, people go through for them struggle about, you know, because as you can see, we have two extended family come together and make it possible. You know, for sure the situation is really too strong, see me on their side, but at least we give thanks because
I'm grateful for that.
Because the two of them come together and they make it work. So if anybody else out there want to come together, you know, and make a situation work, where them can help out something, that will be good. You know, so it's a start, you know, at least now we get the bed, you know, for Prince. So I just clear out over here so no one does. So you put the ply and then you could think there. I come like it and need also more ply and thing. You know, so it have less see through coming through and even one time it rain. You know? Even when it rain. Yeah man, but the faith, you know, all the faith same here and the help of the Almighty, things will pull through. Yeah?
Yeah man, and thank you very much.
Yeah man, no problem man.
Everybody will.
Reach out, yeah man. So I say, so I want to thank Unknown, you know, from Florida.
Yeah.
You know, I want to thank Dian as well from the Cayman Island that make up and purchase the single bed for him, you know. I really give thanks for that. You know, it's really a blessing to a start for him. You know, and the clothes now where we help out from Martin and Deborah from Canada. You know, and the situation, you know, just go and fight the fight, see me. Embrace and don't give up, you know.
You know the puppy have him? Of the dog there.
Yeah.
You see that small puppy here?
Yeah,
Of the big dog.
Jesus, savior. Jesus.
So Princess, this is your side now, we are trying.
Princess, thank you.
Share with them, you know.
Hey, no. Yeah, you mate.
Are you put them there?
She pick them. Does she pick them?
Fire you too?
And I want to share this here.
Go and eat, man. Go and eat. Go and live loving too.
Oh, yeah, don't let me get up on Monday.
But don't do boya. Oh, sorry, go that baby, no? Yeah, do that boya.
You want worries?
Sorry, yeah.
We must sit down on the bed.
That me I say.
Yeah. Buy your own bed, boy.
Yes, a Prince. Hey, name Prince?
Yeah.
Oh. I can't swear one different name I call him out there.
No,
And Prince his name.
DJ Butterfly.
Yeah. So you say you sit down on your bed now, Prince? Yeah, your baby mother. More baby are making another bed there now. More baby, I guess. Your daughter got name? Bibisha? Wow, Bibisha. Eh?
The motor favor him.
Yeah, no, say the mother I look like you. What you mean? At least him knows that once the baby come in the nose and the mouth, him knows how I feel.
I'll name that baby each up.
Yeah. Well, at least baby know you have a bed now. So baby get a cherry there. Valentine. Don't ask about?
Don't care about him still. Come out. Just feed him and make him, put him in front of the TV, make him go on this.
How about Hero?
Yeah, go on this.
Yeah, my old dad, Hero.
Boy, yeah. Boy, that go down there and tie back. Tell me, say, Chantel, my name, call my name. Chantel. Yeah, call my name, boy, that. I make Chantel come down here, come up here and come up on a bed. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Is the Chantel can't come up on the bed there?
Come on, then.
Yeah, make sure.
They say Chantel, I'll come on the bed?
Make you come on it, I'm going to push. Sit up on bed, you know. Yeah.
Yes, the Chantel can't come on the bed there.
Sit up on the bed.
Come on bed.
Oh, the man said, baby alone for come on the bed there. Yeah, I mean. Man said, no, Chantel, you're the hero. Man said, make Chantel ever come up here and boy, she want to come for me.
Come up there, come down here, come up here.
She should stay.
To come up here and come look for me.
Yeah.
Come on then.
She come out here, come again. Anytime she come again, and war I go and run here. Because Princess I call me. And they go take back the bed. So make sure come out run here. And then if she come out run here, I'm not about to give the daughter.
Allah, Chantel, I forget the daughter. You want Chantel to get the daughter?
She not for daughter already.
Oh, okay, she have a daughter.
Tell now about fitting already. I don't know why I'm fine.
So you know Psalms, I know say Psalms are yours.
So the man lift up Psalms, man. Alright then. Prince, I go leave you now, you know. I think your baby mother go left you.
Not no money for me.
You have to mind a baby father and a baby.
Can send dinner, come give. Food get something, yeah?
Hey, sit down. Hey, sit there.
Alright.
Yeah. Princess, look a bit, yeah? Yeah, man. Man said, don't make policeman lick you.
Man can't lick me. Lick me, run and I come lick.
Oh, the next little one we have super.
Yeah.
The whole I'm a sick son? So which one have the cancer? Oh, the younger one there. Yeah. So she get treatment for it? You get treatment for it?
Yeah, man, God, I used to see me, but you don't know sometimes I used to see if you don't have money for sit down. Still have to give thanks. We have life set here. And I thank God I have a lot of people to deal with. And while and if on time, you may get when they need it. And when they're not expecting at them time.
Sure.
I'm grateful.
Let's go on with the fields.
But I can't sleep good tonight.
Yeah, Prince can't sleep good tonight.
Yeah, Princess come on the side of the bed. Well, we don't do it, I take off
So you go and finish off yourself now for yourself now. make space. So you and the daughter them sleep in here, so? Okay.
We keep them near to where me they kind
Yeah.
We go away at night time, we look out, see them have child at the place.
Yeah.
Them rob me already and I can't deny that when the robbery go and come at them. I look one day at 15, so you don't know me have to try to keep her on.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True.
You understand? And very struggling with the day in a church town yourself. I'm a virgin 15-year-old.
Yeah, true.
You understand?
True.
So give thanks when we come in and we see them. We just keep them in and keep them off of the road. From school to them.
Yeah. I love how you hold it up though, you know. Hold it up, see me, and for know say the younger one now she have the cancer and know say you really hold strong, see me.
Me ever sit down more time, I smoke hard, you know. Me ever I listen to the prayer when him say, but whosoever believeth in him should
not perish.
And if him says so, that means say me believe, so me just go and wait.
Yeah.
You understand? And he will make it come. You
You got strong faith, you know. And that will definitely carry you a long way.
really go on like worse than nobody, the greatest part we have life. We can eat, look good food.
True.
More time in there, more time in there. We still give thanks to them, you know.
Yeah, true.
Just wash them clothes and keep them clean.
Things will work out, you know.
Yeah, man.
Time will tell. Let's go on with the faith, see me. Yeah, Princess? Then, until then. Prince, look come over here. Alright.
Prince.
Yeah? On TV? So you're going to see for worship. But you say you want a radio? Yeah, Esther, remember the radio now what we have in the barrel? Yeah, we are making it a radio, right?
Yeah.
Alright, then no worry. You see it right away we got here. Have a radio for you, yeah? Alright then. So no worry your head.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.